right, I think we're live.
Hey everybody, Michelle and Veronica here, and we have a super special treat for you today. We thought we would give you a full-on tour of the Joovy customer service office. We are here in Dallas, Texas, and we wanted to take you behind the scenes today. We thought it'd be super fun for you to just see like where we work, how what we do, what the office looks like. We do not work in a very traditional corporate-y style office. We actually have a very unique space here, and we wanted to kind of just share it with you today. So we are standing in front of the most important space in the office, which is the huge, beautiful kitchen we get to have here. So we are very lucky to have this almost commercial kitchen. It's really, really nice, actually. So important sections here. So we love popcorn, and we always have to have snacks on hand. I don't know about you guys. We're digging the fig bars right now, the kind bars. Some of us are trying to be healthier. We're going for like the gluten-free stuff. And we haven't tried these yet. We just got these. So we are all about those snacks, I'll tell you. Some of us will have snacks for lunch. Like, it's pretty bad. The refrigerator is huge. We have this really awesome kitchen. And so it kind of becomes like, space where we round together, or, work birthday or something like that. This is always kind of that meeting point, kind of like in your home. So this is our beautiful kitchen. We're also big coffee drinkers, and I'm the lightweight of the pack here in the office. My coworkers, like Michelle, Desiree, Carrie, or Rachel, they love the strongest coffee you can find. So we actually just found this coffee called Death Wish coffee, and it wasn't strong enough for this crew, so we're still on the search for stronger coffee. So if you have some suggestions, let us know. We do work in the customer service department, so you have some steam to blow off sometimes. We get it. It's the nature of the department. We're talking to people who are having a really, bad moment or rough day, and it's not fun when something's not going right. And so we're the diffusers. We like to call ourselves the diffusers. So but coffee helps. Coffee is always good. So we're always fully stocked on the caffeine, that's for sure. So I'll take you around, and let's go check out some more areas of the office. So all right, if you walk with me, what you're going to notice is there's always products all around. Samples. When you have a question, or if you need like a measurement for a product, or if you want to know something very specific about a product, we usually always will have a sample of everything. I mean, that's over 100 products that Joovy makes. So right now, it's springtime. Our trikes are what it's all about. So the Tricycle LX models, the Tricycle UL model, and the 4.1 model are all out here now, just because this is what we're putting our hands on the most right now. And you're going to notice we also have some part of our new collection items that were launched a little bit ago. The Nook NB, the newborn version. So we have that. Usually this area is kind of like newest products space. Everything that we're still kind of getting familiar with. Really the latest of the latest. And we're actually launching quite a bit of stuff in the next 6 weeks, you're going to be hearing about our National Parks Foundation collection. So look out for that. We have some really cute products to show you, and our next live will touch on that. So stay tuned for that. So let's go check out everybody's desks. Oh, by the way, up here, the lights, what you're going to see is, so we decorated for Christmas, and everyone fell in love with the lights, and it's kind of like just become a thing. The lights go on as soon as the office opens, and they turn off when it's done for the day, and they kind of just make all of us feel, you know, just happy and a little joyful. So they're always on. That means it's showtime.
Yeah. And by the way, that's Veronica's desk up there. She's going to skip her desk. Nope. There it is.
It's kind of a mess, so you don't want to see that right now. They're all a mess. It's just craziness here all the time, but we're still going to show you. All right. So Michelle's desk is the corner desk over here. She's the most organized, probably, I would say.
Not right now, but yes.
She is. And then we have our punching thing
moment.
Here.
You gotta blow off some steam, right?
And it's kind of perfectly positioned. You know, it's right there as people are walking by, like, oh! So we figure out ways to let off some of the steam. So Carrie's not here right now, but this is her desk. And this is Desiree. She's got the most interesting stuff, I would say. Like, she's one of the most creative. So you're going to see all her little things. These are gifts that people have given her, things that are special to her. And then, of course, our office pet, Mr. Sushi. He's always angry. I think Desiree likes that. He's so, like, he thinks someone's fighting with him, so he's always, like, ready to, like, put up a fight.
Yeah.
So, but he's so beautiful. Like, that's what's so fun to watch. He's just like got this majestic look to him, but he's just always angry. So, so that's Mr. Sushi, you guys. Oh, and this is Rachel. You guys probably may have, you know, live chatted with Rachel when you call. I mean, this is the crew, you guys. You won't see everybody today. Some people are gone for the day. Some people are not here. But this is who you're talking to when you reach out to Joovy, whether it's email. Rachel's probably the coolest one here. We'll just go straight at it. This is our whiteboard, and this team loves to be pretty darn competitive. We're even competitive on the positive things. So, like, we're on live chat. This is a team that handles all of our live chat hours, and so we love when you give us a thumbs up, by the way, so give us thumbs ups. So we're actually tracking all of our thumbs ups right now for the last 30 days, and so we like to compete, and we like to make our customers happy, so this is something that we've got going right now. That's fun for us. This section over here is our shipping station. We always have, you know, small parts that we're sending out to you from here that our distribution center may not have. Measuring tape, this thing, we use this all day, every day. We get requests for measurements for, like, all kinds of different things. You know, if you need a measurement for a stroller without the canopy and without the trays, the measuring tape, you know, we go straight to the product, measure it for you, and get you that information. So that's what we're all about. And I'll let Michelle take over and take you through the rest. Okay. So that was about half of the office. Let's go.
We'll walk over here.
Intermission.
Yeah, intermission. Oh, I'll tell you guys real quick. This is some of our parts area that we grabbed from, and we have been out of the nipples for a while, we know, and so we have gotten some naturally nude nipples in. This is on the down low. Don't tell everybody, but if you are in desperate need, give us a call, and we will hook you up with some bottle nipples.
Yeah. You're on live to know that information. Not everyone knows that.
Okay.
All right, where are we now?
This is our giant conference table / lunch table sometimes. So we have our meetings here. It's huge. Huge. And then this is where the magic happens. This is where I do our videos, our live videos twice a week. We shoot for. This is where I make all your how-to videos. This is where I take product pictures or parts of the picture products for the internet. So it's like our little photography area. So this is where we do it. These are our lights we always use to get better lighting. Veronica mentioned our National Parks Foundation that we joined up with. So this is the first product that we will be launching, and we're going to go over this next Tuesday for you guys. So stay tuned. So cute. And then where I have products, I pull all my parts depending on which stroller I'm going to talk about that day. And that's about it for this area. So we'll head on back to the garage. Oh, Caesar! Say hi. He doesn't even try. He's just given up. Oh, this is our garage. We hold boxes and other parts out here. We also have all our strollers out here. So these are our samples that we look at, we touch, we measure for you guys, and refresh our memories on things too, because we've got to touch it and feel it and remember it. So these are all the strollers. And then, so there's some more parts, boxes. And then we can go out back. We have this lovely alley that is actually really nice. There's tons of graffiti art all over Deep Ellum in Dallas, so we get to look at all the pretty awesome graffiti art and get some air and take a break. So
There's downtown Dallas.
that's us.
Right
Yep.
there.
So we just wanted to share with you guys a day in the life of customer service at Joovy, and where we work every day, and it's like our second home. So thanks for checking it out and being with us, and we'll be back next Tuesday for that new NPF reveal. See you then.